Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can enable live captions for websites you visit in the Arc web browser. So let us get started. Now, did you know that you can enable live captions also in the Arc browser? For example, if you're watching a video through the Arc browser, an external video platform, and now you'd like to see the live captions of it. It is very simple, guys. Simply click on that Arc browser icon in the top left to access your settings. Select settings here. After that, choose your associated user profile, and after that select privacy and security here. Now inside your browser settings, guys, pay attention to that panel on the left hand side and switch from privacy and security to the accessibility section here. And last but not least, enable live captions, and if you like also live translations, by switching them on here to the right. As you can see, after that Arc will download the language package for your default language, which in this case here is English. So as you can see, the speech files have been successfully downloaded, so that you now may use supported live captions for the given language whenever you visit a website that need live captioning. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.